This is how you change orifices in a pressure regulator spring on a Rheem Classic 90 Plus. I'm doing the gas orifices to switch it from propane to natural gas. The orifices look like this. This is what they look like. I need to change out this spring kit as well. I'm going to start with this gas line, taking this union apart so I can pull this out after I take the bolts holding it in. This valve has 4 wires on the back side where you can't see right here that you need to disconnect, and then you can slide it out. Alright guys, the orifice size for natural gas is a little bit bigger than the one for propane. The ones down here at the bottom, these 5 were the propane, these are the natural gas. These are said to be OEM specification for natural gas for this furnace. You can see right here I'm having trouble. This will end up being the last one that I do because went on to the next. And then I do every other one. Trying this again, just to realize I couldn't get in. And now it goes in. We all know that I'm a professional, and these are all getting clicks right here on each one of them. Like click, click, click. Alright guys, I have this spring, the spacer, O-ring, and the cap. It's going to be going into this valve right here where my thumb is. It's flying everywhere. This set screw is supposed to be turned in 11 rotations, and that will put it at the location that it needs to be for it to regulate the pressure for factory specification. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, It took me a little while, but I realized that the new plug would not fit the O-ring and then fit in this location, so I put the old plug in. And it's going back for assembly. There's a plumber. He found a leak on one of these unions. He said that this plumber's goop will fix that, so I just put it on all my unions at this point. Click. Alright, I've got these 4 wires and it will be complete. If you found any use out of this, and it helps you any, please like, follow, share, and subscribe. That will be what will help this channel the most. Thank you. Bye.